Hello and good evening. This is Samuel on Tuesday, May 6th. About a year ago, we were also approaching the Hanami season, the bloom of the spring, and then everybody grows. My birthday approaching on 12th of May. Anyway, now I'm just briefly demoing how Synapse protocol works. And just to give anybody who have thoughts about the protocol, if it works, how fast it is, how efficient it is, now you get the simple answer to that. So let's go. Here we are on the Synapse protocol site, and we want to bridge from a wallet on a base network, Ethereum layer, to an another wallet on Ethereum mainnet. And we are going to bridge 0.028 ETH from base to Ethereum main network to a different wallet from via a single transaction. So basically the base wallet is connected, as you see here. We see the small pop-up on the right corner saying that the routing cost is up to date, and we have pressed this max button, so that is the max amount. Let's actually remove some decimals from there, and there we see how much we receive. So it only cost us 0.00001 ETH, about that much, not even a dollar, I would say, estimate. So now we simply have to kind of check this mark here that we verify destination address, and it should not be an exchange. You should not use Synapse to bridge to a Binance wallet, for example. Deposit, no, don't bridge to deposit wallet. Just to Web3 wallet. So you must press settings and show the withdrawal address here, and here you must specify the destination wallet. Very low slippage, and then confirm new quote. Then we bridge. We will get pop-up from MetaMask, that is the wallet I'm using. The network fee is very low, $0.01. Now we see it in action here, waiting. The transaction is successfully initiated, bridge from ETH on base to ETH on Ethereum. Transaction has been made. Very soon we shall get confirmation. Complete. That was quite a fast. And Now the ETH from the base wallet disappeared and it landed. And check in. It has landed on the ETH main network. Already. So, all good. Now we can disconnect the address and now I'm connecting it to the wallet that we bridged to, and you see we have 0.027 ETH. That's it. Simple. Works. Easy. Very good protocol. This is my third time I think I'm using this. At least the second. Upwards.